Hello everyone. So in our previous session we were doing lifelines of Indian economy, and over there we have discussed about the classification of roads on the basis of capacity. Now today let's discuss about the classification of roads on the basis of material used. So if we are going to classify roads on the basis of material used, two types are there, that is metalled roads and unmetalled roads. जिसको और क्या बोल सकते हो आप? These metalled roads and unmetalled roads, they can be also called as pakka roads and kacha roads. Even they can be termed as mortable roads and non-mortable roads. और मेटल रोड्स के लिए एक टर्म और यूज़ होता है, व्हाट इज़ दैट दीज रोड्स आर टर्म्ड एज ऑल वेदर रोड्स. नाउ व्हाई दीज आर टर्म्ड एज ऑल वेदर रोड्स? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स डिस्कस इन डिटेल अबाउट दीज मेटल रोड्स ओनली. देखो डिफरेंट नेम्स क्या क्या हो गए. दे आर नोन एज पक्का रोड्स, मोटेबल रोड्स and all weather roads. Now why they are known by the name of these all weather roads? They are known as all weather roads, reason being they can be used in all types of weather, whether it's rainy season going on, whether it's hot weather season going on. They can be used in all the types of condition of weathers. Now of what they are made up of? They are made up of cement, concrete और bitumen of coal. ठीक है. Since they are made up of these cement, concrete and bitumen of coal, that is why also they can be termed as all weather roads. And over these roads, heavy vehicles can move easily on these metal roads. ठीक है. तो दिस इज अबाउट मेटल रोड्स. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द अनमेटल्ड रोड्स. इन टर्म्स ऑफ अनमेटल रोड्स, नेम्स मैंने आप लोगों को पहले ही बता दिए कि बाय व्हाट नेम्स दे कैन बी कॉल्ड एज. दे कैन बी नोन एज द कच्चा रोड्स और द नॉन मोर्टेबल रोड्स. नाउ ऑफ व्हाट थिंग दे आर मेड ऑफ, that is of what they are composed of. They are composed of sand and bricks or stones, and they go out of use during the rainy season. ठीक है. Reason being why they are going out of rainy season, that is क्योंकि इसका जो मटेरियल यूज्ड है यहाँ पे वो मटेरियल कैसा है, that is sand and brick. And because of this, what happens during the rainy season, these roads they are going out of the use. And usually these roads which are there, they are used for the movement of the light vehicles only. That is light vehicles over here, they can be traveling through these particular roads. You can see these through these pictures also. These are the various pictures for the comparison between the metal roads and the unmetal roads. The first slide which is there, the first picture that is there in this slide, that is of the metal road, and the other three pictures which are there, these are the examples of unmetal roads or the kacha roads. Now let's talk about road density. So what is this road density? That is the length of the road per 100 square kilometer of an area. ठीक है. I am repeating it once again. The length of the road per 100 square kilometer of area, or the ratio of the total road network to the country's area. It is known as what? It is known as road density. The distribution of roads, it is not uniform. It varies due to the physical features and the population. ठीक है. जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रोड्स में वेरिएशन आ रहा है ना, वो किस वजह से आता है? इट कैन बी सीन ओवर देयर ड्यू टू द वेरिएशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ फिजिकल फीचर्स. हमारी कंट्री में थ्रू आउट द कंट्री सेम फिजिकल फीचर्स आर नॉट देयर. समवेयर इट इज़ माउंटेनियस रीजन, समवेयर इट्स हिली रीजन, समवेयर प्लेट्यूज आर देयर, प्लेन्स आर देयर. तो दीज आर द फिजिकल फीचर्स. They are leading to what? They are leading to the distribution of roads, and along with that population, it also plays an important role for the distribution of roads. Now what is this density of roads over here? The density, it varies from only 10 kilometers in Jammu and Kashmir to 375 kilometers in Kerala. ठीक है, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के केस में कितना है? ओनली 10 किलोमीटर्स इज देयर इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, एंड एज वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड साउथ इन केरला, ओवर देयर इट्स 375 kilometers in south in Kerala. So what is the national average over here? That is 75 kilometers. 10.4 kilometers is there in Jammu and Kashmir, 532.27 kilometers in UP. Average निकालोगे तो even the averages those are attached in slide. Now I am going to share one more slide with you for this road density. Let's have a look at that also. So the points that we have discussed earlier, road density की definition पढ़ी. In this slide you will see that as the first point, the length of the road per 100 square kilometer. Density पढ़ा वहाँ पे 10 kilometers in Jammu and Kashmir to 375 kilometers in Kerala. और average कितना है इसका? 75 kilometers. Now in terms of this road transportation if we are talking, तो ये जो road transportation है ना, ये क्या है? It faces number of problems in India. So what are those various problems which are faced by this road transportation system in our country? That is keeping in view the volume of traffic and passengers. Road network क्या है? The road network is inadequate keeping in view the volume of traffic and the passengers. The half of the roads which are there in our country, that is what we are going to notice, more than half of the roads which are there, those are unmetalled, and since those are unmetalled तो क्या होता है यहाँ पे? They go out of use during the rainy season. नेशनल हाईवेज़ की अगर बात करें तो नेशनल हाईवेज़ के केस में भी क्या है? द नेशनल हाईवेज़ दोज आर ऑल्सो इनएडिक्वेट. मोरोवर द रोड्स दोज आर congested in the cities, and most of the bridges which are there, those are what? Those have become old and narrow. This is the another slide for the problems which are there in terms of the road network. देखो पॉइंट सिमिलर ही हैं, बट यहाँ पे क्या कर दिया? उनको क्लासीफाई कर दिया इन वेरियस पॉइंट्स. फर्स्ट वन इनएडिक्वेट. इनएडिक्वेट कैसे हैं? इन टर्म्स ऑफ वॉल्यूम ऑफ ट्रैफिक, पैसेंजर्स, रोड नेटवर्क इज इनएडिक्वेट, यही पढ़ा था वहाँ पे. सेकेंड हेडिंग दैट दे हैव गिवन पुअर मटेरियल, दैट इज़ हाफ ऑफ द रोड्स वो क्या है? दोज आर अनमेटल्ड, और ड्यूरिंग रेनी सीजन क्या हो जाता है? दोज गेट आउट ऑफ द यूज. देन मोस्ट ऑफ द रोड्स विच आर देयर इन सिटीज़ वो क्या है? दोज आर कंजस्टेड, और ब्रिजेस और कल्वर्ट्स के केस में क्या होता है? दोज आर ओल्ड एंड नैरो. अदर देन दिस, लैक ऑफ रोड साइड एम्यूनिटीज़ आर देयर. और जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है ब्रिजेस का, उसमें भी क्या है? देयर इज़ द प्रॉब्लम इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ब्रिजेस ऑल्सो. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. Today we have completed the topic of roadways. In our next session we are going to start up with railways. So thank you.